Hello everyone, we'll be learning the piano accompaniment of So Into You by Tamia in the key of A minor. For reference, here's middle C. Since we'll be playing this song in the key of A minor, there will only be white notes. Our first chord is D minor 7. On the left, we have D octaves. On the right, we have D, F, A, and C. The next chord is A minor 7. On the left, we have A octaves. On the right, we have E, G, and C. Then we have G major. On the left, we have G octaves. On the right, we have D, G, and B. Again, that's D minor 7, A minor 7, and G major. This chord pattern is used for the entire song.